Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you back to a time when streamlined wasn't a buzzword. It was an art form. When polished aluminum meant class, not cookware. I'm talking about the 1950 Silver Streak Clipper, a trailer so shiny it could double as your morning mirror, and your neighbor Gary's favorite gossip topic. Before we roll further down memory lane, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to CampAvto. That way, you won't miss a single vintage beauty, road trip laugh, or questionable life choice on wheels. Now, this Clipper isn't just a travel trailer. It's a 22-foot, 6.7-meter piece of history. Built by the Silver Streak Trailer Company of El Monte, California, this model was affectionately called the Alien Eye for its front and rear window design. Honestly, I think they look less like alien eyes and more like the expression I make when I realize I forgot the propane tank again. Speaking of propane, this unit comes with a tongue-mounted tank, a 7-pin trailering harness, and a rolling tongue jack, all original style. The single axle rides on gray-painted steel wheels wearing Goodyear Wrangler tires, and yes, there's a non-matching spare included. Because, let's be honest, no road trip story is complete without something mismatched. The polished aluminum body still gleams after all these years, freshly buffed under prior ownership. Sure, it's got a few creases and dings here and there, but so do I, and neither of us are slowing down. Above the entry door, you'll find a curved rain deflector, while tinted windows and hinged awning-style vents bring in just enough breeze to remind you this isn't your grandma's living room. Step inside, and you'll feel like stepping into a mid-century time capsule. If that capsule also served breakfast. The interior was refreshed and now sports textured walls, exposed aluminum panels, wood grain flooring, and enough burgundy vinyl upholstery to make Elvis blush. The forward lounge features wraparound seating and a round table that screams family poker night or place where Gary spills his beer. The galley is fully equipped for its era. A Montag 3-burner range, sink with a fitted cover, under-counter metal cabinets, and charming wood overhead cupboards. The range hasn't been tested, but I believe the smell of adventure would season any meal cooked in there just fine. Toward the rear, the bedroom area includes a platform bed with a cozy mattress, underbed storage, and closets on both sides. You've even got ceiling vents and residential-style outlets for modern conveniences, like plugging in your phone to Google how to fix things you've just broken. This beauty sold for $23,000 in July 2025, around 21,000 euros. And honestly, that's a small price for a trailer that still holds its head high among today's fiberglass crowd. It's not just a camper, it's rolling nostalgia with rivets. I liked this one the most because it proves that good design and craftsmanship never go out of style. And I think if you park this Silver Streak next to any modern trailer, it would still steal the show, just by standing there, polished and proud. By the way, the official Silver Streak website still celebrates their legacy, keeping the flame of these aluminum legends alive. And before you hit the road, consider becoming a CampAvto sponsor for just $1, less than what Gary spends on duct tape per week. The link's under the video, folks. Help us keep the wheels rolling, the jokes rolling, and the polish shining bright.